So welcome to my channel Graphic Art. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create vector style water drop logo using Bezier pen. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we have to grab this Bezier pen and make a drop from it. Click to make a starting point, then click and drag. So it will make a curve like this and leave it. Again, click and leave. Now click, like this. There's no worry that the drop is not perfect. We can adjust it later. Once the drop structure is created, we will now adjust the shape of it. Grab the edits pads by node tool, and we will just shape it like a drop. Okay, I think this is perfect. So now I will grab the select tool and click on this path, object to path. Now again click on this and make it of gray color, 70% gray. So now we will open the fill and stroke properties. So after opening the fill and stroke tab, we will choose mesh. Click on this. Okay. So we have to click on this gray one. This in order to fill these drops with shades of colors. So in middle I will fill blue. Oh, okay, this one. In this I will fill dark color, dark shade of blue, and in this corner I will fill with green. Okay, I think this is perfect. In this I will fill pink color. and now you have to move these circle dots in order to adjust the color. So you can adjust this as you want. Let me adjust. Okay, I think this is good. So when you're creating this mesh type, make sure you have this one. When scaling, just take with the same proportion in this one. Move gradients along with the object. Otherwise, you will get this. Let me show you. If you turn this off, the gradient will stay only here, not move with the object. So please turn this on. So now you will move, the gradient will move along the object. So okay, we have completed the drop. Now we will duplicate it and make it of black color. Place it below it. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab this one, this tool. And press delete on it. Then again I will create like this. You have to create a few rings so that it can cover the drop. Now you will select these rings by clicking shift and clicking on all these circles we have created. Press on path, combine. Now we will press alt and shift, click it again. Then it will select the drop beneath it. Control plus D, path, objective path, shift, and turn on this path, intersection. So it will create this drop, and here it is. You can create this drop by using Bezier pen, and I guess you you now know how to use the Bezier pen. So this is the part of Inkscape basics which I have started in the earlier video. I have made one, and I am going to make few more so you can understand the working of these tools in a very easy and fun way. So for now, this is the end of tutorial. I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.